Folks, and welcome back from your Christmas break. I hope you feel rested and relaxed and ready to go on this last leg of the semester. We have 3 weeks left, and the first week is only 2 days long. The next one is 5 days, and that last week is only 4 days. In that time, we will be doing the Chapter 7 material and testing. And if you qualify and wanted to, the retake for Chapter 6. So let's talk about the retake for Chapter 6 first. In here, you have the option to actually go in and do your retake process. So again, if you haven't done one before, it's going to be inside the chapter folder. We'll talk about the particular relearning that you need to do. For multiple choice, you're going to have to come and look at your test and then analyze the various answers. For free response, you do want to look at your test and see what additional practice problems you should do that are listed in the front of your packet of Chapter 6. So just take a read at what it says in here for your relearning that you need to do and see me accordingly to get the help that you need to. Now, when we look at when that retake would be, it is going to be scheduled for our next WIN session. And our next WIN session, if we take a look here, is the Thursday, the 11th. So you would want to sign up for one of those WIN sessions on the 11th. And I will let you do one of three things. You can retake just the multiple choice, you can retake just the free response, or you can do the entire test. It is up to you. Again, keeping in mind, all you can earn back is our standard 85% on the test. This, I will tell you, for our free response is probably the toughest free response test that we have in all of our 12 chapters. This tends to be the one that is a little trickier for students. This probability on Chapter 6, especially with the differences in the sums, can be a little bit challenging. So I think that is, if it kind of it caught you off guard, it was because of the sums and the differences of variables. So please, I ask you, just do not hesitate to come and talk to me, and I can help you really grasp it, I think, in a nice, easy, clear manner, and how you can kind of keep this stuff straight. So please reach out to me if you want some insights in Chapter 6 and how to kind of just manage it and make it this little tougher probability to make it easier, and I think something that you will feel like you will be able to understand and succeed on. You absolutely are going to be expected to do this topic when it comes time for your test in May. Okay, Chapter 7 now. So Chapter 7, you're coming back on Thursday and Friday. Thursday, nothing scheduled, so that's kind of great if you're out and about or not back yet. But you do want to be starting your Chapter 7 come Friday if you can. We do not have any official, well, we have one deadline, I should say. There is a mid-chapter deadline on Friday the 12th at 3 p.m. You want to have all of the work up into the free response. Now, this one does not actually have a mid-chapter free response to it. So if you take a look at the deadline this way, your deadline is basically going to include sections 7.1 and 7.2. All of that material is what needs to be done by Friday the 12th by 3 p.m. Then to get ready for the test on the 18th, just finish up your learning on 7.3. I definitely, as always, recommend you do the reviews. Here's my video solutions if you want to take a look at that. And then I will see you on, again, I think it is the 18th we have for the scheduled testing date on that one. Just double check. Again, everyone is locked into a WIN session already. But yes, for your if you put it on your calendar or in your reminders, it is the Thursday the 18th is your last test for the semester. Nice thing is when we finish first semester, hey, you got another day off on that Friday, so that's great. But semester 2 is only 5 chapters, and then we will have actually completed the book at that time and get ready for our review and get you ready for your test in May. So please let me know what you need this week, and welcome back. And you're almost there. Hang in there. You got it. Have a good one. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.